Alright, here we got a Kasten running gear. Needs a bolt here in this upright. It does move. It's got a little bit of slop in it, stretched out, or for a hay bed probably. As you can see, it's got a few non-factory welds, so they reinforced it when they put the bed on it. The bed was bad. So right now it is stretched out probably as far as you're going to want to stretch it, unless you replace the pole, but it is 13 foot 2 inches from the front to the back of this, where the bed sits, and the bed would hang over that a little bit. Does have flotation tires. Looks like this tire is not holding air, okay? So it's gonna need repaired. We can set it on a trailer for you, or we can do whatever. I don't know if the guys looked at that. They probably didn't. Just come in on a deal, and we're gonna sell it absolute on Tractor House Auction. It does turn okay, but like I say, it's a little bit swayed there and some of that. So.